The Traka SmartFob ID Reader for HC series key cabinets provides fast and easy identification of keys in the field, along with any precautions that may be associated with the unit. This enables your staff to perform bulk checkouts for quarterly inspections or maintenance activities, while keys remain unlabeled for the safety and security of your residents. The SmartFob ID Reader is stored and charged in any HC series key cabinet and can be checked out by users as needed. When in the field, the user simply inserts a SmartFob into the reader, which then displays the unit number for that particular key. Should your staff need to be aware of any precautions associated with a unit, such as a large dog or hearing impaired resident, the SmartFob ID Reader will also display this information below the unit number. Precautions can be easily added by an administrator in the administration software or directly at the key cabinet. Since the reader is stored and charged within the cabinet, it can be monitored and tracked just like keys, and quickly accessed by your staff when needed. Learn more at traka.com/pm.